Hi, my name is Suki.
Hi, my name is Sunnah. Today we will be building the Wet Bandit.
It's the Wet Bandit. But this is our CrunchLabs box. Let's open it up. Okay, let's just dump everything out.
And then
We don't need this anymore. So we have instructions. Let's open it up. First, we need one of the wood pieces, the clear stickers, the nuts.
eat this.
Yes, the wood piece. We need 4 bolts that are... So first, we will take the sticker sheet. So you see like these little holes over here. That's where we're gonna like put them. And then the ones on the side, that's where we're gonna put them too. So we're gonna take one here. There. Should look like this with the stickers on. See, one here, one here, one here, one here. So now we will need the bolts. Over there. We're gonna put them through there. Okay, we're gonna do the same with the others. It should look like this so far. We will need the bottle adapter. Sunnah, can you pass me that?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. And can you pass me that?
Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna attach the bottle adapter screws, one of the wood piece. We're gonna put the holes in the wood piece. Done. Now we need one of the tubes, but we need the really big ones, like these.
You would see it would have different colors. So it's not really, okay?
I did this on one side. Now the other side, we're gonna do it on the bottom. Finally did it. Just need to put this on. We need the middle tube. It's kind of like the big one, but a little bit shorter. Gotta put it on. There. We are gonna screw both of these. Now we're gonna need another one of the wood pieces. Sunnah, can you hand me this? These wood pieces, they're kind of small. So you see this hole over here? Gonna put it in. Great. And then we're gonna put the other one in. There. Got one in. There we go. There. There, it's in. Now, acrylic handles. So can you give me that?
Yes.
Yes, just one. Right here. Now we're gonna put it through this little hole thing over here. Okay, so I put it in through. It's just like this so far. This is a little tube that came out of the little hole and then came into another hole, but kind of looks like a square tube. Another one of this. So my sister's holding that right now because it keeps falling off. The bolts and the nuts. So thank you, Sunnah. We are going to put the bolts in the holes. Now we're gonna put the last hole in. We're gonna put the last bolt in the hole. Now we're gonna need the foam handle. Looks just like this. It's blue. You can take off the little holes. There. Put on 2 bolts. So can you give me 2? Okay. There. Thank you. Now we're gonna put the 2 bolts in the hole, like right here. And then we're gonna put the other one in this hole right there. Okay.
Ta-da!
These 2 pieces of the valve kit. Now we need one of these small tubes. we're gonna put it on where you squirt the water gun. Put it on tight. It should look like this now. Looks just like this. So we're gonna put this side on right here. Kind of looks like a top. Gonna open it up. Sounds funny. Oops.
There's something black.
So we need this. So can you pass me that? Yes. Thank you. We're gonna put this part, put it through the syringe. And then we need this again. Gonna take this, put it in, so you screw it on tight. Just like this. It's gonna be we're gonna put this on through here. Then we're gonna take the syringe and poke it in right through. And it can't come out this way. So now put this in through. Now we are going to put this through here. Oh, yes, it goes through there. Gonna take this, and then we're gonna take these bolts. Oh wait, we don't need nuts. We only need the bolts because the nuts are already there to screw it in tight. So there. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side. Oh no, this fell. Now tighten this up. Oops. Okay, we can tighten them. There.
Ta-da!
So now we're going to take another zip tie and then do the same thing. And then we're gonna connect it right here. So this bottom tube is going to be connected to where we put the zip lines. There, so it should look like this so far. So happy, and I'm so excited to use it. Long like this, should have 2 little bumps. So we're going to take the elastic cord, we're going to put, we have the elastic cords. One of them will be right here, and the other will be right here. So I put some water in there. Make sure to leave a little bit of air so that it will work properly. We are gonna take this long tube, put it in,
And then you just push this button.
we're gonna squirt it. Okay.
Don't need to squirt it.
So this is how it works. So let's first let the air out. Let's turn it this way. Let's pump it.